Hey everyone! I decided to replace all the suspension control arms on my 1990s Audi A6, but before I do, I want to show you exactly how this lower control arm starts to make that cracking noise. I used to read a lot on forums where many owners said they replaced the front suspension arms, or just the bushings, because the arms started to crack. I never quite understood what they meant by crack. I thought bushings would at most crumble or get surface cracks. People who own these cars always said that when you turn the steering wheel, you hear a crackling or creaking sound. And right before I replaced mine, I started hearing that exact sound too. And I think now you'll clearly hear it for yourself. You hear that crackling noise when turning the steering wheel. What's interesting is that it's much more noticeable inside the cabin. Outside the car, it's not as clear, but from inside, these bushings make a very distinct noise. If you hear something like this, it usually means those large bushings need to be replaced. Let's crawl under the car and try to move the arms. I bet they'll creak just the same. Now we're under the car. You can see there are two control arms down here, and realistically, there's not much else that could be making this kind of noise. We're focusing on this large arm, and specifically the bushing here. What happens is, the rubber inside starts to fall apart, and that's where the noise comes from. You can see this bushing is torn, and there are some inner sleeves or inserts that have separated too. So when you turn the steering wheel, the bushing shifts around, and I think that's what causes the cracking or creaking noise. Let's go ahead and remove this lower control arm and take a look at it outside the car to see the condition of the bushing and everything inside. Alright, we finally got the arm out. Now we can see why it was creaking so badly. Just look at it. It's completely falling apart. These rubber parts are rubbing against each other and making that annoying squeak or grind. Look at the condition of this bushing. Honestly, I feel like if I press on it just a little harder, it'll completely fall out of the arm. That's what happens when it gets to this point. It starts making those strange cracking or creaking sounds when you turn the wheel. See you in the next video.